Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. Wolf Wizard here with a review of this piece of garbage, the Sony FDR-X3000, which Sony is no longer supporting the GPS function or the streaming function. So if you bought this device or are planning on buying this device for the GPS and or streaming functions, you can no longer use them. I contacted Sony and they said, oh no, the antenna still works, but there's no way to get the information because it's no longer functions. So if you try to edit a video using it, the mapping, the speedometer, or the GPS functions whatsoever, they do not work. Facebook, also, you can't stream to Facebook because apparently there was some sort of a contract between Facebook and Sony and between Google and Sony, and because the contracts didn't work out, I guess, the functions don't work. So I paid a premium for this device, and I already have a Sony device that doesn't have GPS. I paid a premium for a Sony device that does have GPS, and then after just a couple of months of using it, the functions are no longer there. So I'm very upset about it. Sony refused to entertain any compensation for the fact that I've had this for less than a year, and half of the functions are no longer supported. So pretty upset about that. Thought I'd make a video, let you all know that if you buy this Sony FDR-X3000 expecting to be able to use the GPS functions, you can't. And Sony won't tell you. They're still advertising it as a GPS device because it still has an antenna in it. They said, oh, it still has an antenna in it that functions, but the information that comes off of that antenna just goes nowhere. You can't reap that information from anywhere. So that's it. Till next time, ride safe, be seen, have fun.